Hello students, from the ancient time, number of thoughts are propounded by different kind of scholars. Some scholars believe, yes, nature is dictator. Some scholars believe, no, human is dictator. Means, from the ancient time and till now, different kind of scholars believe in different thoughts. Already have told it, someone believe, yes, nature is determinant. So they propounded theory determinism. And some scholars believe, no, human is determinant. Human has enormous brain power, so human can do anything. मेरी मर्जी, मैं चाहे ये करूं, मैं चाहे वो करूं, मेरी मर्जी. Human can do anything. Yes, enormous power. And this theory is known as possibilities. I'm Pramod Sharma, Faculty of Geography and Director of Atlas Institutes of Geography, and very warm welcome in MALUKA IAS. Students, I'm going to start my class in MALUKA IAS. So welcome, please come on this platform, and no doubt we will have enjoy in lot of ways. So students, I was discussing in this world number of thoughts and thinking and belief are propounded by number of scholars. And from the ancient time, a group of scholars believe, yes, nature is determinant in this world, and that theory is known as determinism. Determinism. I think we have heard about this theory. From the examination point of view, this theory is very important. This thought and thinking is very popular from the ancient time. बहुत पहले से चल रही है. If you talk about from ancient time, I think you have know about Hecataeus. Hecataeus, I think everybody knows about that. Hecataeus. Hecataeus is also known as father of geography, and it was the belief of Hecataeus that nature is determinant. And their contemporary, another scholar, I think we know about Herodotus. Herodotus is also known as father of history, and many scholars of ancient Greeks are believe in determinism. अब आप कहेंगे सर just define what is determinism. So just students, I want to say, or I want to define in a very simple word, you can say the whole aspect of human life is determined by the nature. The whole aspect of the human life is determined by the nature. This is the definition of this thought. Means whatever you eat, whatever you wear, whatever you think, whatever your history, all the things determined by the nature. Students, just think it's a summer month, so we wear some very simple dress. But if this is the month of December and January, तो जरा सोचिए इस ड्रेस में काम चल जाएगा? No. At that time we wear some heavy dress and they have some very dark color. Means in the nature, weather condition changes and our dressing is also changes. An interesting baat? Yes. Think about food habit. Different part of India and different part of the world, different kind of food habits are there. Why? Because different kind of geographical conditions are there. Think about in the region of Assam, West Bengal and eastern side of Bihar, where heat and humid climate is found. So in that region, most of time rice cultivation happen there. So rice and fish is the main food of this region. But just opposite of this, in the western side of northwestern side of India, where dal roti. Why? Because this region receives very less amount of rainfall and temperature is high, so dry condition most of time prevail there. So that condition is very favorable for the cultivation of wheat and pulses. So there is a dal and roti is a main food habit. But if you go in the region of West Bengal and Assam, machi bhat, I think we have heard about this. And if you go in the region of Europe, so most of where wheat formed foods are there, or mainly non-vegetarian foods are there. So different kind of foods. Think about in the region of Russia, जहां पर विंटर सीजन में अल्कोहल या वोदका लेना नेसेसरी है. विदाउट अल्कोहल और वोदका यू कांट सर्वाइव देयर, बिकॉज ड्यूरिंग विंटर टाइम टेम्परेचर goes down 30, -30, -40 degree Celsius. Just imagine what the temperature at that time. Alcohol or their local brand is vodka is very favorable for the winter night. So just imagine in India alcohol is taboo. Alcohol इंडिया में अच्छा नहीं माना जाता है, but just opposite of this, it's a part of culture in Russia and most of part of Europe. सोचिए क्यों? Just think about in India, हम लोग नीचे बैठ के खाना खाते हैं, but think about the Western countries जो टेबल पे बैठ के खाते हैं, because during winter season नीचे का पार्ट बहुत ठंडा रहता है, and most of time ओवरऑल लैंड ठंडी रहती है, फर्स्ट ठंडा रहता है. सो एट दैट टाइम उन्होंने टेबल को डेवलप किया. But in India, most of time, very favorable conditions are found there. So easily we sit over land and we easily eat that. है ना? तो इस तरह से आप कह सकते हैं कि whole the aspect of human life, even your thinking, thoughts is also determined by the nature. Already I have told it, in ancient time, especially Greeks, Roman were main supporter of this theory, and especially Greeks and Roman many scholars like Strabo, Ptolemy, and number of that. In the medieval time, mainly Arabian thinkers are supporter of this theory. I think you have heard about Suleimani, Ibn Battuta, Al-Baruni, है ना? Number of scholars. Number of Arabian scholars believe yes, nature is determinant. Nature decide करती है. सुलेमान ने एक बड़ी अच्छी बात कही है. Arabian region is a very large area, but if you see the behavior of different part of Arabian region, no doubt you can say yes, there is a difference. The west part of Arabian region, especially those regions which found near to Mediterranean Sea, वहाँ के लोग they are very simple, you can say they are very handsome and mainly friendly, बहुत अच्छे टॉक करने वाले, हमेशा प्लेजर माइंडसेट में दिखने वाले, because that region receives high amount of rainfall. Especially in the region of Syria, Turkey, or the Israel, Lebanon, people are pleasant and friendly and easily कहीं पर interact कर लेते. But think about the people of Saudi Arabia or deserty people, where extreme conditions are found there. Due to extreme conditions, due to very extreme conditions, people of that region, especially I think you have heard about tribe Baddu. I think you have heard about Baddu. सुना? Baddu या Bedouins. Baddu or Bedouins are tribe of Saudi Arabia. They are very fragile. जरा सी बात पे झगड़ा, अरे भाई देख लेंगे ये, और because most of time dry conditions are prevail there, so they become fragile. है ना? बहुत ही गुस्से वाले होते हैं. अनस्टेबल माइंडसेट के। These are the things said by the Arabian geographer. And in modern time, many scholars are there. Many scholars, especially Miss Sample, Hattington, Redgel, and many more are supporter of his thoughts. In these scholars, no doubt, Frederick Redgel is a propounder of this theory in modern time. In his book, there is a anthropogeography. Anthropogeography. This is the book which written by Frederick Redgel. He was the professor of Leipzig University in Germany. In his theory, he said, man, what is looks, whatever eat, due to some geographical conditions which found their surroundings. जिस एरिया में जैसी conditions होती है उस तरह के वैसी लोग होते हैं. And in that context, he propounded similar location leads similar mode of life. Are you get this point? Similar location leads similar mode of life. Means if somewhere same kind of locations are there, human activity will have also same time. Are you get this point? Suppose there is a plain in the world, any part of the world, if you go in the region of plain, people कैसे होंगे वहां के भाई, लोग कैसे होंगे? Definitely farmer होंगे. वो कहता है कि farmer are generally found, सुबह जल्दी उठेंगे and then खेत पे जाएंगे, प्लगिंग करेंगे, ये वो थ्रेसिंग करेंगे, different kind of activities they will do. Yes. बच्चों, मैंने एक मूवी देखी थी रशिया की, 1970 की स्टोरी बेस्ड थी. आई वॉज बिकम वेरी सरप्राइज्ड. I became very surprised when I see this movie. The story was started from the some part of plain area of Russia. Same kind of lifestyles of Indian farmers. उसी तरह से लाइफ स्टाइल देख रहा हूँ, हट बनी हुई है, वहाँ का आदमी वैसे उठ रहा है, अपना लेके जो वो है हल है, देन वो अपना जा रहा है खेत पे, है ना. सेम काइंड इन 1970 no one technology was not very advanced, so same kind of situations were there. So in this manner you can say if there is a plain area then there is a same kind of lifestyle. He explained also in the context of island. वो island के context में कहता है कि people of islands are basically very good swimmer, they are courageous, फिशिंग करते हैं, और जो आसपास के सराउंडिंग लैंड मास होते हैं उन पर उनकी नजर होती है. एंड दे ऑलवेज ट्राई टू इंक्रोच सराउंडिंग लैंड मास, स्पेशली ओवर द कॉन्टिनेंट. यू कैन इजिली थिंक इन द कंटेक्स्ट ऑफ ब्रिटेन एंड जापान. बोथ आर द आइलैंडिक कंट्री एंड देयर हिस्ट्री is also more or less same. दोनों आसपास के रीजन में एनक्रोच करते हैं, अपने एम्पायर बनाते हैं. सेम काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन आप जापान में देख सकते हैं. सो इन मैनी वेज दीज स्कॉलर propounded this thought. No doubt if you talk about determinism और वहां पर बात मिस सैंपल की ना हो तो फिर something we are lacking. Miss Semple was a disciple of Redgel. She was from America and no doubt geography के लिए उसने अपनी पूरी लाइफ को sacrifice कर दिया. She was great lady. Lot of contribution in the field of geography. And she had said, man is the product of his earth surface. Are you get this point? Man is the product of his earth surface. He explained in many ways by the many examples, and no doubt that require very long time to discuss all those things. So I would like to say we will meet in next class and discuss all those things. And please come on MALUKA IAS, which one of the premier institutes in Rajendra Nagar. So students, please come and read with the Pramod Sharma what is geography, where feel like geography. So till then, bye.